Jnana Surya Kriya, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki in his Yoga Step by Step, Lesson 39. Visualizing an inner sun. Using the symbol of the sun for inner visualization through Jnana Surya Kriya is an excellent form of deep relaxation and acceptance of the benevolence of the radiant effulgence and warmth of the inner self-sun. There are 3 ways in which this technique can be done. In this recording, we will practice the second one. Jnana Surya Kriya is done from a relaxed, supine on your back position, the Shavasana. In order to benefit from this practice, we will perform 3 rounds of Dhauti Pranayama, or the Mukha, the cleansing breath, so that we can enhance the benefits of this Kriya. You may now take up a high-heeled sitting posture, Vajrasana, facing north. If you're practicing this at dawn, you may be facing the sun towards the east. The hands are on your thighs, the knees together. Taking a deep breath, puckering your mouth in the Kaki Mudra, and then blast out the breath in multiple whooshes as you lower your head and torso to Dharmika Asana. So exhale to prepare. Inhale. Inhale, lift up your chin, come back up to Vajrasana. Inhale, come up. Stay here in the Dharmikasana. Let your nose be between your knees. Relax your shoulders, your brow, your eyes, your lips, your jaw muscles, and your tongue. Bring your hands back to touch the soles of the feet and relax. Prepare yourself to be aware, mindful, and full of care for the Jnana Surya Kriya. On your next inhale, lift your chin up, lift your torso, and come up to Vajrasana. From here, come down to Shavasana. Your head may be to the east if this is dawn, but at any other time, your head will be to the north and feet to the south. Check your body now. Make sure your feet are together, you're aligned, and that your arms are by your sides with palms facing up towards the ceiling or the sky. We will perform 9 rounds of Savitri Pranayama in the 8x4 count. Breathing in and out through your nose, exhale to prepare. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in. Hold. Out. Hold. Hold. Out. Hold. In. 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 Hold. Out. Hold. Relax. Now imagine that the sun is just beyond your head. The sun is a giant warm ball of energy just beyond your head, full of warmth and light. Now it starts to roll forward to encompass your whole body, starting with the head. Then your shoulders and torso. The sun is a giant warm ball of energy, rolls forward and encompasses your head and torso, your arms, your internal organs, the area of your tummy, your hips and buttocks, And then traveling down, starting to encompass your thighs. Your knees. The area of the shins and calves. The area of your ankles. And your feet. Now, the sun is encompassing your full body within its ball of light, warmth, and energy, like a yolk within an egg. Feel its warmth and its energy. And use your imagination to relax in the warmth, light, and energy of the sun, like a yolk within an egg. Continue breathing slowly and regularly, and relax. The more relaxed you are, the more you can absorb the light, energy, and warmth of the sun. Cleansing away all of the darkness. Helping you to relax fully. And now, begin to slowly move your fingers and toes and come back to the room or space you're in, allowing the sensation of warmth, energy, and light to stay with you. As you come back, you may open your eyes and roll your head from side to side gently. And give your body a nice stretch. Then lift your left arm up above your head and roll onto your left flank in a relaxed position. With your right flank dominant to stimulate the Surya Nadi, so that you may become ready to come back to daily activity. From here, turn face prone into Unmukhasana and take a moment to adjust to this different asana. And then bring your hands to your shoulders, align your body, the buttocks and lower back are strong, the legs are strong. On your next inhale, push up into Bhujangasana. On the exhale, come back into Chatuspada, Shashangasana, stretching your arms and back. And then on your next inhale, come up to Vajrasana and sit quietly. From here, bring your hands together in Namaskara Mudra. We will be intoning and chanting one pranava Om together. Exhale. Inhale a full yoga breath.